Hi students. English words antonyms. English words antonyms. Please subscribe my channel. Abbreviate. Abbreviate. Then. Abbreviate. Then. Abstract. Considerate. Accord. Discard. Active. Passive. Affirm. Deny. Allow. Forbid. Analysis. Synthesis. Ancient. Modern. Ancient. Modern. Armed. Unarmed. Asleep. Awake. Attack. Defend. Attract. Repel. Acquired. Graceful. Base. Noble. Belief. Doubt. Big. Small. Boom. Slump. Bright. Dim. Broad. Narrow. Care. Neglect. Chief. Costly. Clean. Dirty. Clever. Stupid. Cold. Hot. Comic. Tragic. Concord. Discard. Confident. Diffident. Convex. Concave. Costly. Cheap. Crude. Refined. Dawn. Dusk. Death. Plenty. Decrease. Increase. Deduction. Induction. Defensive. Offensive. Please subscribe my channels. Please students, subscribe my channel. Bye.